Today is the day. It is the ThredUP Namebrand Handbag Rescue Box Collab Day, Day 2. I am kicking us off tonight. For those of you who are new to my channel and are just popping in, my name is Christina, and I'm a part-time reseller, and I provide content on this channel from that perspective. I do a lot of unboxings, and I can't wait to get this one open. I hope everybody was able to join us yesterday. Yesterday on Monday, we had 5 creators go. That started with Janet and Bryn over at Happy Hour Haulers, and then GLAMMAZ CLOSET, followed by PAT GARZA, Marilyn over at SHADY NY, and then LINDSEY CLARK. So today I am kicking us off here. So make sure after this video that at 6:30 Eastern Standard Time, you hop over to STEPH STYLE. And then at 7, it will be KRISTEN over at Another Chance Resell. And then at 7:30, it'll be Julie at My Momma and Me. 8 o'clock will be DEBRA over at Timeless Jewel by DEBRA. And then 8:30 is Jamie over at AKA The Bag Lady. So welcome. I hope that I am able to chat with a bunch of you guys in the chat and that you're joining us for kind of that live part of the collab. I have been doing more of these boxes recently. I feel like I took a break from them for a while because they weren't so great. But lately, the few that I've gotten have been really good. So I'm excited to get into this one and see what we got. Now, I did purchase this one on sale. I believe we all bought them when they were having their recent, is it 20% off sale? I can't remember now. But when they had their recent sale, I believe we all bought them on the same day. So this one specifically is coming to us from Mechanicsburg. So we will get into it and see what we got. The boxes normally run $100. And then of course there is tax and shipping. Now I will also be offering like subscriber prices. So if you see a bag that you are really into and you want to purchase it directly, you just need to send me an email to stinaresels@gmail.com, and I'm happy to send you a PayPal invoice. And I give pretty good prices, so it would be much cheaper than what I will list in my Poshmark and eBay. Okay, let's see. This was ordered on January 22nd, and this is the Namebrand Handbag Box. It says $100, but they always put the regular price on here and not the price you actually paid. So there's a little peek off the top. I tried to prop the box up a little bit today because this one's a big box, y'all. Look at that. They sent us the big box, and it's very heavy. This has got to be the heaviest Namebrand handbag box I've gotten before. Okay, so let's hope that means it's good. All right. Pull back that tissue. So what we're expecting are going to be 4 bags and then an accessory. And I can already see the accessory right off the top. And it's this gorgeous Kate Spade wallet. Look at that. It almost looks like a watercolor with like roses, different colors of pink. And then the back has more of like the black pattern in the background. So that's nice. You've got this gold tone zipper hardware. Now I will say this one's not in the best shape. That's a little disappointing. I'm going to give you a close-up here so you can see there's a lot of wear to that Kate Spade nameplate right there. There's a little nick right here in the bottom, and then the zipper pull is like peeling. So I'm not off to a good start. That's not good. I guess the good news is that overall this is in good shape. It's just we've got the hardware and the zipper pull. It's not like this is like peeling off totally, right? So structurally it's in good shape and it is really cute. Okay, so the inside, look how pretty that blue is. You've got your Kate Spade imprinted here. Lots of card slots. The inside looks like it's in great shape. You've got your zipper pouch here for like coins. And then you've got more card slots on this side. So that is awesome. Let's make sure the zipper works. It does. So because of the damage to this, if anyone's interested in this wallet, let's just do it for $10. I think that that's a good deal. And just note that there's a lot of wear there. So, but that's a really cute print. I like that. Okay. I'm assuming we're going to have a lot of big bags because it's a big box and it's very heavy. Look at this. Okay. The huge, oh my goodness, huge Kate Spade bag. There's your nameplate. This one looks like, at least with the nameplate, that there's not that as much wear. So that's great. It's in a really pretty black leather. And you've got your shoulder straps, and look at the interior of this. That looks great. Very clean, kind of an off-white color. You've got the kind of checked pattern in here. You've got one large zipper pocket. And then you've got two slip pockets there. You have this magnetic, oh, wait a minute. Oh, it goes like this. There you go. Your magnetic closure there. And then, bonus, we got two more zipper pockets. So we have one here. It's huge. And then you've got another one on this side. So you can fit a lot of stuff in here. This is great. This would be great even like to take to work or to travel. So this one's awesome. I feel like in the camera, okay, there is some loss of the edge coat here around the edge. It's not completely missing. It's just starting to peel a little bit. So just note that. And then there is a little mark here along the bottom, which I can try to wipe that off, but I'm not sure that that's going to come off. But you've got just a like white sky. It's a nice big bag, and I will put a price on the screen for this one. Okay, so there's our first bag. Next, ooh, look at this. We've got huge Dooney Bourke. Ooh, I like this. I love this like zebra print. And so you've got this kind of beige background, and then you've got the darker leather with the animal stripes. That is so cool. I don't know if kind of this different color throughout is the way that it is, that's intentional. I think it looks like it's that way throughout the whole bag. I think that's pretty cool. And then you've got this awesome like canvas strap down the side. The bottom looks really good. You've got your feet. I don't really see, maybe just slight wear on the corner here. Nothing major at all. I'm telling y'all, Dooney is having a moment right now. Look at that strap. That looks great. I love shoulder straps like this. Okay, and then you've got your hang tag with your duck. Get that a little closer. That's even in great shape. Not a lot of scratching. Let's look at the inside. Oh man, the inside looks awesome. Got that beautiful red. Got your Dooney Bourke right here. Large zipper pocket. And then you've got your single slip pocket that's leather edged on the side. It also comes with a little strap so that you can attach keys or another like interior bag. And then you've got your Dooney tag on the inside. So I would say this bag is definitely vintage. And I will do like a Google Lens on this and comp it out and give you guys a really good price if anyone is interested in this one. I think this one's so cool. I love this one. Everything looks really good on this one too. Good condition is king. Okay, next, another big bag and another Dooney. Wow, this one's huge. All right, so, and I love big bags, actually. I love carrying large bags. Okay, so this one is kind of in like a mustard yellow. Really nice. There is some wear to the nameplate there. There is some wear to the corners. You can see right there. Not bad, but just slight. The bottom looks really good. Let's see. Let's check out the strap. The strap looks great. Got your edge coat there. That looks awesome. Okay, let's look at the inside. I can smell the leather. I love when I get bags where I can just smell the leather. There's the back. Awesome condition. And the interior has a few stains, but overall it looks pretty good. So you have your Dooney right here, and then you've got a zipper pocket. I don't know how I'm going to show you guys the bottom of the bag. This thing is so huge. Let's see. Okay, you can kind of see it. Nothing major as far as staining goes, but just from wear, like normal wear, there is some staining in here. There is a slip pocket kind of similar to the other one that has your leather lined slip pocket here. And then you also have your interior strap where you can attach something else. And here's your Dooney tag. So that's awesome. I like this one too. And you've got these two zipper pockets on the outside. I guess we should check the zipper, huh? Did I check the zipper on the other one? I don't think I did. Let's do that. Perfect. Now let's check this one. Make sure this one works. It looks like there is a little bit of, probably the dirtiest part of the interior is right here along the zipper line, which is pretty common. Okay, let's zip this one up. Perfect. All right, and then you have your two zippered pockets on the outside. Again, it looks like there's just some interior staining from wear on the inside here. But those are nice. I always love pockets. Pockets in clothes, pockets in bags. Love pockets. This one is awesome. It's huge. It's great. Okay. I don't really like getting two of the same brand in a box. I love the variety. So we've gotten two Kate Spade, right? The wallet, the bag. And now we've gotten two Dooney. So let's see. Is this our last item? It is. Let's see what we got. Okay, we got another Kate Spade. So this was all Kate Spade and all Dooney, but everything looks in pretty good condition. So that I'm happy with. Now I believe that this means that this is like the Kate Spade outlet, if the open spade. But you've got this beautiful pebbled leather. This is in almost like a wine color. I think that's really nice. You've got your shoulder handles. They look like they're in good shape. No edge coating missing on these at all. I will say there's maybe a little bit of wear here on the corners with the piping. So you have a little bit of color loss. And then the bottom looks good. No feet on this one. Okay, but so that's good. The bottom looks good. And let's see. Let's check the inside. We have kind of that same print as we did in the wallet where it says Kate Spade. Then you have your Kate Spade there, zipper pocket. And then your 2 slip pockets here. And this one's very clean. That's excellent. Honestly, if there wasn't this wear on the corners, I would think that this bag hadn't been carried before. It's in such good shape. Okay, so let's check the outside pocket. So you have a long exterior pocket here, and it has the little flap that goes over it. And then it's also very clean in here. So I will, like I said, put a price on the screen if anyone is interested. And all you have to do is email me at stinaresels@gmail.com. So just to recap, we got the Kate Spade outlet. We got this massive mustard Dooney, which is so cool. And I think this is probably my favorite. I love this zebra striped Dooney. You've got your Dooney hang tag here. It's really nice. And then this Kate Spade bag is really awesome. This feels almost like a Saffiano leather. That is great. It's a great work or travel bag right there. And then we got the really adorable Kate Spade wallet. Just has the wear on the nameplate and then the little fraying on the zipper pull. Anyways, I'm curious how my box is going to stack up to everybody else's. If everybody else got anything other than Kate Spade or Dooney. I'm sure there's some Michael Kors in there. Maybe Rebecca Minkoff's. I don't know. We'll see. Thank you guys so much for joining me. If you enjoy this kind of content, please subscribe. I would love to have you. And make sure you give the video a thumbs up. Next up, we will be hopping over to STEPH STYLE. That's going to be at 6:30 Eastern Standard Time, 5:30 Central. I will see you guys next time. Bye, y'all.